people are complaining about it.
It does. Look, it looks like it's going to collapse. Some important internal routes, Cornwall including, but of course, there's a lot of complaints.
Yes.
Of course, yeah.
Should I carry on? Or
Yes.
that's the chips man, McCain. That's who you think. Yeah.
I only know the West Coast of America for the 2008 election. I should have remembered.
I'm trying to
Do you want to start again?
He does think McCain talking about French fries. That's what he thinks. Anyway, it's rivals like BA and EasyJet are complaining. So you know it's true, isn't it? He thinks McCain, the crinkly cut. Yeah, you heard me say that. I know.
We're on the pavement. Nobody can.
Anyway. Flyby is quite rightly getting support from the government, in my view, so it doesn't crash.
What they're going to do,
The rivals.
the government are going to delay them paying the tax bill that they owe, 106 million. So that's so in a sense they're being given cash. Now the EU has BA have said this is a breach of EU state aid law. Who cares? We're leaving it in 2 weeks' time.
Yeah, we've got a transition period.
But I think you'll find under domestic laws, if you fail on one airline or others, you'll be in trouble. So EasyJet, BA are complaining, but I think it's quite right that the owners of Flyby have got very deep pockets. Richard Branson, who seems to spend all his time as a tax exile on an island in the Caribbean, some US hedge fund and a third is owned by the Stoke Airport now.
Yeah, these companies protect their shareholders, don't they? And they don't pull good money after bad.
And they will have legal, I'm sure, firewalls built. So if Flyby goes under, they're not pulled under completely. But there is always this question of how can they do that and then be getting state money if they're protecting their own money. And it's kind of corporate welfare for these very.
They only bailed out Flyby a year ago. So quite what's gone on there.
Yeah, but they didn't bail it out. They bought it because they bought it and made money on it.
But Caroline Lucas from the Green Party appears to be saying let it close.
Yeah, well, Andrew Leadsom said it's a viable business, clearly.
Yeah.
Regional policy that the government now finds even more important after the election.
They want to ensure that there's proper transport. But if you have to drive to Cornwall from, say, the southeast, 9 and 10 hours, crazy. Trains are hopeless.
I can see you want to limit some internal flights. But I don't know, London to Manchester, say. But you know, if you want to get from Scotland to Cornwall, it'd be a long time driving on a train. But
it's an interesting decision because you think if this was a Thatcher government, what would they have said? Let it go.
Yeah, that would have been a mistake. I think you take it, but you want to make it viable. But I don't think you have to. I don't enjoy it more than anyone else paying APD, the air passenger duty. But that's not the way to solve this problem. There may be some routes you have to subsidise, and you say, right, well, which does happen. Already, you just say maybe that's the way to do it rather than just across the board tax cuts.
Let's get to the Royals, shall we? Still all over the newspapers,
of course.
Not least because we saw some of them.
Well, I mean, this is Kate and William out today, both looking fantastic actually, very relaxed, very self-assured as you'd expect. Future Queen, future King. William says he's spoken of how if you talk it helps in troubled times, but of course we know part of the problem between William and Harry is they're not talking. There's clearly a huge breakdown in the relationships there. There's the Royals here. One Canadian paper is suggesting it's the biggest national paper in Canada, saying they're welcome as members of the royal family as guests, but they don't want them to stay. There is a backlash in Canada about the idea that the Canadian taxpayer will pick up the bill for the security, because there'll be other costs as well. There always are. And if they're insisting that they want Scotland Yard police trained officers out there, the bill will be even higher. But there is a backlash, so it's not going to be as plain sailing for William, for Meghan and Harry as they think. And of course, the Queen has said she wants to get these issues resolved and quickly.
And then we're expecting to see Harry on Thursday for the rugby league draw
in Buckingham Palace,
which may be his last royal appearance.
Maybe
certainly for a long time.
And rugby league may be one of those organisations. He's got an honorary title. I don't know if he's president. I think he might be president. That'll be left in the lurch. Should he go? He's more of a rugby union man, but he's been doing rugby league. 13 players as well as the 15-player game. But I understand only the BBC are allowed in. They're not allowed to ask any questions about everything that's erupted. The rest of the media.
That's why they're not letting you in, because they know you would ask other questions.
The rest of the media is being kept out, and the Globe and Mail in Canada, I think, it's the biggest paper, and it will reflect what a lot of Canadians think. They might, it's one thing to have them visiting, but another for them all of a sudden you're part of the British royal family, which I know because of the Commonwealth in Canada as well, Queen Head of State, so on, all of a sudden just decides that they want to up sticks and be there.
There's also talking, the whole issue of whether they move to Canada as residents could be referred to the Constitutional Court, the highest court in the land.
Wow.
So there are, when the wise Queen said there are complicated issues here, there clearly are. And of course she would have spoken to the Governor General from Canada who would have warned her about this.
I'm happy for them to go. I'd like them to take the rest, including Uncle Andrew with them, just get shot in the wall. They can find anywhere that'll take them. There must be some island in the Pacific if Canada doesn't want them, you know, St. Helena or wherever. We could do that. But look, on the Metro, keep calm and carry on. That's because the others, his elder brother and his wife, William and Kate, went to Bradford.
Queen.
Oh, it's time to finish.
Went to Bradford and Korea. But look, they are not putting a foot wrong now, and the contrast between them looking assured and relaxed and jolly, and a very, very troubled younger brother and his wife.
Okay, well, we'll see what happens next, I think, won't we?
The soap opera will carry on.
Indeed
That's
so.
what it is.
Yeah.
Why are we paying more than 300 million quid a year for a soap opera?
Okay.
What a waste of
Anything
money.
like that.
You can just watch Emmerdale or
Anything like
Corrie.
that
You
at
don't
all.
need this. Yeah.